Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Printella. Thank you. So today we are making fresh fish light soup. You are going to love it, so please stay tuned as we start. So in my pan I have my washed and clean tilapia. You can see it's very clean. So I'm going to add some chopped onions, which is optional, and I have some salt to taste, and I have some blended garlic, onion, ginger. So I'll add everything to it and I will massage it. Make sure say namuno marinate na then akoko baby. So I'll add some sankofa, and then if you have a seasoning of your choice, you can please add it. So after that, I will let it sit for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, and then you can so after making sure of it, I will marinate it for 2 hours. So this is after 2.5 hours. So as you can see, it's really nice. Akoko baby. So I already have my cooked carrot, onion, and habanero pepper. So I'll blend because the fish is very fragile, I'll blend the tomato paste and the vegetables together, and I'll add my dawadawa. As you already know, I love dawadawa. So after cooking this on a low medium heat, I really loved it. It's very nice. I'll add the blended vegetables and I'll add water to rinse it. It's very quick and very simple, but the taste was perfect. So I will stir it, and if you have okra, since you are enjoying this with fufu, I'll add my okra to it, and then I'll leave it on a low medium heat whilst I do something different. Thank you so much. You've been watching this video up to now. I really appreciate it so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So this is after 25 minutes, and you can see the fish is still doing well. Like, a little tip is, when you're making fish, as others prefer to marinate it and just add it, but I don't know, I'm a kind of person, anytime I want to eat fish soup, I have to make sure I marinate it and cook it before I'll be able to eat it. So everyone is different. You can make it as anyhow you want it, but this is the way I want it. So at the end, we are done with it, and as usual, Sunday, I don't play with my Sunday fufu, and it was so perfect, the outcome, and it was so delicious. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you in my next upload. Bye. Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Priscilla. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So we are making abunabuno. So this is my smoked goat meat. So it is well cleaned. We'll add some marinade, which is garlic, onion, ginger, green bell peppers. Add some water. I'll add some chopped onions. I'll add my salt, sankofa natural spice, and any seasoning of your choice. I will stir all together, and then I will cover it for it to cook on a low medium heat. Whilst I will add my tomato paste. Adding tomato paste is optional, please. This is dawadawa. So I already cooked my spinach, habanero pepper, onions, and some tomatoes. I'll add my peanut butter, and then I'll blend everything together. So a quick check to make sure, because the water was not enough. So I'll stir it and I'll add a little bit water and I'll cover it again. So I came back to check again and it's really good. This it is very good. So I'll go ahead and add my blended ingredient. So I'll add everything to it and then I will stir. If you think it's still thick, you can add a little bit water, but this is how I prefer it. So I'll add my okra to it. And if you have some dry fish, you can add it. So this is my dry fish. I will add everything to it. Someone might ask, why didn't you add the dry fish early? This fish, your friend apata, it's very fragile. I am ready listening in Abbey Bubogun coining, and anything I toy a book a crano. This is after 10 minutes. Please, if you are still watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So I came back to check again after 5 minutes and we are almost there. So now I'm going to leave it on a low medium heat. And ta-da, we are done. So as today is Sunday, we're enjoying it with our fufu. Original, authentic. This is authentic abunabunu. So I'm going to serve myself. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye. Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Princella. I really appreciate you so much for stopping by. So today we are making goat meat palm nut soup, or palm nut soup using goat meat. Trust me, you are going to love it. Please stay tuned as we start. In my pan, I'll add my smoked goat meat, or let me say smoked, and I added some of the intestines in. I added my blended garlic, onion, ginger, and dawa dawa. So I'll add water to rinse it, and then I'll add my salt to taste, some sankofa natural spice, bell pepper, onions, tomatoes, pepper. So I'll add all this together, cover it. So this is after 10 minutes and it's doing very well. So after stirring it, I'll cover it. And this is my palm nut. So I'll sieve everything. If you have the canned one, it's fine. So I'll add my tomato paste, stir everything together again, and then I'll continue with what I was doing. After 10 minutes again, I'll add my adding fruit. So in all, it was after 30 minutes of steaming the meat. I'll strain everything together and then I'll add my palm nut juice. Stir all together, and then after that I'll take all the vegetables I added and I'll blend all together. So I'll add it back, and then I'll add some water, and then I will leave it on a low medium heat whilst I add my dry fish. So if you have dry fish, you can add it. I just wanted dry fish taste in it, and as you can see, it's doing pretty well. So this is after 45 minutes, and you can see we are almost done with our palm nut soup. In another 30 minutes, you can see it's done. I really love this. So I enjoyed this palm nut soup with fufu, and it was so good. Sundays are for fufu. Thank you so much for watching, and I know you really like it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next upload, and thank you. Bye. Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. You are welcome to the channel. My name is Priscilla. So today we are making a bunu. You are going to love it. So please don't go anywhere. Stay with me until the end, and you are going to learn something amazing. You can see with Sunday, it was with fufu, and I really loved it. So in my pan, I will be cooking my vegetables. I'll add my spinach, I'll add my habanero pepper, my fresh tomatoes, onions, and then I'll cover it for you to cook. So after 5 to 10 minutes, after 7 minutes, we are done. So in my pan, I'll add my dried fish. It's washed and cleaned very well. So I added some blended garlic, onion, and ginger, and I chopped some onions into it. I added a little bit of water, and I added sankofa. I added some salt to taste. So after 5 minutes, I came back to check because the water was not enough. So after 10 minutes, you can see this is no waste time. So I added my blended vegetables, and I added some water. Remember I also added some salted fish, kobe, and I added my okra tea. Yeah, you can see it's so nice. Low medium heat, I will let it cook. I also added some mushrooms and some dawadawa. I always say apata is very fragile, so I always add it last minute to my soup. And as you can see, this soup was so good, and I really loved it. Just let me know what you are going to pair this soup with. I'm going to pair mine with fufu because it was Sunday. So as you can see, I'm really saving myself. This food was so good, This soup was perfectly done, and it's very easy and very simple. You don't need so much stuff to do it. So we are done. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next upload. Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Priscilla. Thank you for stopping by. So today, guess what? We are making goat meat peanut butter soup. This soup is a must try, yes. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I'll be using my goat meat. It's well cleaned. In my pot, I'll add my goat meat. I'll add my blended garlic, onion, and ginger. I'll add a little bit water to rinse the blender, and I'll set it aside. So I'll be using cream peanut butter. So I'll add it to my blender, and also I'll add some tomato paste, add more water, and then blend all together. So I will be adding it. I'll add a little bit water and stir all together. Recipe is a must try. I will add some salt to taste and sankofa natural spice. I will add my fresh tomatoes, some onions, and habanero pepper. So I will cover it and I'll send it straight to my stove. So I'm doing everything together to save time. So this is 10 minutes and you can see it's really cooking very well. So I'll keep stirring a little bit because I don't want it to burn. After 20 minutes, I will take the vegetables out and I will still let it cook. You can see it's really doing good. So you can see the oil has settled on top. So I added my vegetables and I added enough water. And this is my mushrooms. I added some mushrooms. You can add more water if you want it. So I will stir it and then I will let it cook. It's really cooking very well. So this peanut butter soup, I made it and I really enjoyed it with kokonte. I will bring the recipe soon. You are going to love it. It was so good. You see, it didn't really take time because I did everything together. Me see when you are try be share no when you be jehu. Unte pa ene enkatekwan ekoyi ankasa. Please, if you are still watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes. Thank you, and I know you've really enjoyed watching this recipe. So you can see my kokonte is ready. Na kokonte so nkruma ka ho ya na enkoyi o, nkruma ka ho na koyi. So I'm serving. I really loved it. It was so good, so delicious. Please, this is a must try. You are going to love it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye. Back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. So today we are making a red snapper light soup. It is well cleaned. I really cleaned it very well. So I added everything in my pot. So I'll add some blended garlic, onion, ginger. I'll add onto it, and then I added a little bit of water and my salt to taste. Some spices of your choice. Stir. This is the only time I will stir. So a quick check. I will shake it. And then after 10 to 15 minutes, I'll add my blended garlic, onion, ginger, carrot, tomatoes, everything, then I'll add it. If you want the detail of how I make my light soup, I have it in my channel. I'll add it. So I added tomato paste, and then it's cooking very well. I'll add some okra. Add some eating fruit, breakfast. Now you can see it's really cooking very well. So I'll put it in a low medium heat, and now as you can see, red tilapia light soup is almost ready. So I added dawa dawa, dry fish, and I also added some vegetable. It's optional. You can see how gently I'm stirring it because the fish is very fragile. Now our soup is ready. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. So my name is Priscilla. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are making palm nut soup with face the wall kokonte, and I know you are going to love it. Everything is well clean. I will chop some onions, blend some garlic, ginger, onion, anise seed, and place any spices of your choice. So I'll add salt to it. So I added salted fish too. I will stir it, and then I will add my vegetables. Before I add my vegetable, I will add kaku, stockfish. So I'll add all my vegetables, and then I will cover it for it to cook. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Add my extracted palm nuts. If you want a full video on how to make palm nut soup, I have it. I'll link the video in my description. I'll add my dry fish. I'll add prekese, aiding fruit, and then I will let it to cook whilst I add my dawa dawa. I can't go without dawa dawa. And some mushrooms. In a low medium heat, I'll let it cook. At that you can see, I'll take the vegetables and blend everything. I'll transfer the blended vegetable back and then I'll leave it on a low medium heat. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you so much for your support. I tasted for salt and it wasn't enough, so I have to add a little bit more. And after that, I'll add my okra. The okra is optional. I will add my dry fish, which is apata. So I tasted it and now it was good. Very good. It tasted so good. So I'll let it cook for another 10 minutes and then our soup will be ready for our face the wall. Now our soup is ready. Added some carrots is optional. So I'll go ahead and serve. In my earthenware, I have my face the wall kunti. I'll bring a video on how to make this delicious kunti. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye. Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Princella. You are welcome to my channel. So today we are making chicken light soup. Chicken light soup, and I know you are going to love it, so please stay tuned. These are my ingredients. I will list everything in the description box. So I was using carrot, peppers, fresh tomatoes and onions. So in my pan, I will add my clean chicken. I will go ahead and add my frozen garlic, onion, ginger, all blends together. I will add everything and then I will slice some onions. It's optional to slice onions. I'll go ahead and add my tomato paste, salt to taste, and then I'll add sankofa natural spice. And then I'll go ahead and add some spices or seasoning. I will cover it. It's fine. So it is really cooked. And then I will cover it. Come back to check after 5 minutes. I will stir everything together. Add water, stir it, and then I'll go and blend the vegetables. Please, if you are still watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you all so much for always tuning in to watch any video I post. I'll go ahead and add some prekese, adding fruit, stir. Already blended, I'll go ahead and strain. So when it comes to light soup, I really want it very light. I don't like thick light soup, but you can choose to make yours thick or you can choose not to strain it at all. So I came back to check and it's good. So I'll wait for another 5 minutes and then you can see the oil has settled on top. So I'll add my blended vegetables, everything, and then add a little bit more water. And I'll go ahead, add my okra and let it cook. Thank you so much for watching this video. And what are you going to pair your light soup with? So I will put it on a low medium heat. So I will add some carrots and on a low medium heat after 10 minutes our soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you. Bye. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Princella. Please, today we are making chicken light soup. Trust me on this, you are going to love it. So in my pan, I'll add my fresh tomatoes. I'll add my carrots, my habanero pepper, then I will let it cook. And I'll also add some onions. In the hard chicken, and I added a little bit soft chicken to it. It's well cleaned. I'll add some blended garlic, onions, and ginger to it. So I added some salt to taste. Ankofa, any season of your choice, and garlic, onion, ginger, they are all blended. So I'll add it and rinse the blender a little bit and add the water. I'll add water to it and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I will stir all together and I will cover it for it to cook. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes. So I'll cover it whilst I blend the vegetables I cooked. So I came back to check, and as you can see, it's cooking perfect. I'll give a stir and I'll leave it for it to cook. I'll cover it again. I will be adding dawadawa, but I'm going to blend the dawadawa with the vegetables I cooked. So I came back to check again, and you can see it's really thickened up, indicating we are almost done with it. So I will leave it again, and then I'll go and blend the vegetables with the dawadawa. Dawadawa is optional, please, you can choose not to put, but I really love dawadawa in my meal. And I'll add my hidden fruits, my precursor. So at this time, you can see it has really thickened up very well, and the chicken has cooked to my preference, how I want it. So I'll add my blended vegetables. I didn't strain it this time. And I'll add some water. I want it very light, so I'll keep adding some hot water to it. And I'll add my okra. Yes, because I'm going to enjoy this soup with fufu. So I need more okra in it. I will stir it and I'll leave it on a low medium heat. And as you can see, it's doing wonders. Sunday, original Sunday fufu with our light soup. So I came to check on it, and the aroma is perfect. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.
Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. So today we are making a red snapper light soup. It is well cleaned. I really clean it very well. So I added everything in my pot. So I'll add some blended garlic, onion, ginger. I'll add onto it, and then I added a little bit water and my salt to taste. Some spices of your choice. Stir. This is the only time I will stir. So a quick check. I will shake it. And then after 10 to 15 minutes, I'll add my blended garlic, onion, ginger, carrot, tomatoes, everything, then I'll add it. If you want the detail of how I make my light soup, I have it in my channel. I'll add it. So I added tomato paste, and then it's cooking very well. I'll add some okra. Add some eating fruit, prekese. Now you can see it's really cooking very well. So I'll put it in a low medium heat, and now as you can see, red snapper light soup is almost ready. So I added dawa dawa, dry fish, and I also added some vegetable. It's optional. You can see how gently I'm stirring it because the fish is very fragile. Now our soup is ready. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes.